Hey everyone, welcome back to the series of Python tutorial. Today in this video we will know about the loops in Python. So getting started with loops. Loops are the control structure used to repeat a given section of a code a certain number of times. So there are two types of loop in Python. First is while loop and second is for loop. Today in this video we will know about the while loop. A while loop is a control flow statement that allows the code to be executed based on a given boolean expression. Alright, by seeing the animation of a while loop, we will understand how the functioning works. So, we first need to create a variable, then we need to create a starting point, then we have to decide a boolean expression or the condition that while loop work. So, as we can see, we have initialized a variable n equals to 1, then we created a boolean expression for while loop n less than equals to 5. So as we can see, the while loop is saying that we need to repeat a statement 5 times in a sequence. So now we have to create a block of statement inside a while loop. So by creating a statement like print hello world number of time n, now we have to increment the value each time. Suppose this is n, we need to initialize every time when the loop is run, so n will be incremented one time, n equals to n plus 1. So as we can see, if the statements while loop printed print hello world and n equals to n plus 1. Here we can see now n equals to 2 and system has printed the output hello world one time. So now the n equals to 2. By checking this boolean expression, this boolean is true. So one more time this statement work, then n equals to n will be equals to 3. One output will come. By running this loop again, now the n is incremented to 4 and we have get the output hello world third time. So moving further, we can check the condition n less than equals to 5. This is again true. The statement will execute again. Now n equals to 5 incremented each time by the loop and we can see the output hello world fourth time. Now running this loop again, we can see the statements printed the last output of the program. Now n equals to 6. This time when the n equals to 6, while loop will get false boolean expression, so this command will not executed. Now we can see that this is the last stage of our while loop. So we can see we have printed a print end statement. Now this program have given the output hello world 5 times as we need a repetition 5 times a loop. So this is a simple demonstration of a while loop. Now by doing a practical demonstration of a program in Python, we will create a decrement counter in a Python using a while loop. So we are printing the output from printing the number 10 to 1 in a Python using a while loop. So first we will create a variable called count here, count equals to 10. We will print it the count each time when the while loop work. So now we need to create a boolean expression of our while loop stating that count greater than 1. Each time until this count statement is true, while loop will work, unless it will not work. Giving this more statement, we can say we have to print here the count. Now as we have given the boolean expression here, we need to update count each time when this while loop gets run. So we now doing count less than count equals to count minus 1. We will decrement one value each time from the count when this while loop is executed. So by seeing the output, we can understand that it is printed the output called 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is not included. The while loop is not included 1 because we have given the expression called count less than 1. If we include the 1, it will print Okay, we need to update count to 1. Okay, so we can see it have given the out from 10 to 1. So this is a simple project or the simple program that we can do with while loop in a Python. In the next video of a Python loop, we will understand how the for loop will work. So thanks for watching, stay tuned.